The time taken by a person to travel an upward distance of 150 km was 2.5 hours more than the time taken in the downward return journey. Suppose we take from A to B is the upward journey. This is the case of upward, and this is B to A is the downward journey. Let speed in upward direction, speed in upward direction is equal to x kilometer per hour. Now similarly we can write speed in downward direction is equal to x plus 10 kilometer per hour, because we return at a speed of 10 kilometer hour more than the speed while going up. And the time taken for upward direction, if we will take it is t, let t1 is the time taken for upward direction. We know that this is equal to speed by distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. That you have to remember, because speed is equal to distance by time. So t is equal to distance by speed. Here distance is 150 kilometer divided by its speed is x kilometer per hour. So it will be equal to 150 by x hour. Now similarly we will take t2 is the time taken for downward direction, which is equal to 150 divided by x plus 10. 150 is the downward distance and x plus 10 is the downward speed. So t2 is equal to 150 divided by x plus 10, this much of hour. Now the return at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour more than the speed while going up, that is in which direction we will take more time? Where the speed is less, and it is in the upward case, we will take more time. That means 150 by x, how much more? 2.5 hours more. 150 divided by x plus 10 according to question, it will be equal to 2 and 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2 hours. Now we can write this as, now we will simplify and we will get the answer. That means we have to find out the value of x now. 150 into, if we will take x and x into x plus 10 as LCM, we will get here x plus 10 minus x, which is equal to 5 by 2. This implies 10 by x into x plus 10 is equal to 5 by 300, or that is equal to 1 by 60. Now we can write this as x square by cross multiplication plus 10x minus 600 is equal to 0. Or we can write this as, we have to break 10x in such a way that its product will be equal to minus 600. So plus 30x minus 20x minus 600 equal to 0. And if we will take x as common, we will get x plus 30 minus 20 into x plus 30, which is equal to 0. This implies x plus 30 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. Or This implies x plus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 20 equal to 0. Speed cannot be negative, so x cannot be equal to minus 30. That we cannot take because minus 30 km per hour, x cannot be negative. So x is equal to 20 is the answer. This is 20 km per hour or 20 km per hour. In this way also we can write 20 km per hour. And now the downward speed is, this is upward speed. We will add this as upward speed. And now downward speed will be equal to x plus 10, that is equal to 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour.